Okay, here we go. So this is the wood frame, as you can see. So we're gonna construct possibly a door that's either gonna open outward, or we may do like a sliding door. And as you can see, this is a wood frame, and the top of the structure looks intact. There's just a little bit of snow up there, so that's not a big deal. The biggest thing right now is the sides. And if you just got here, we were talking about doing the actual repair for the high tunnels. It's one of the things that we could help with. And as you can see, this is like some examples of some basic repair that somebody did with the plastic or whatnot. Now you can do this, like if you have cuts in it, you could put tape on there. You know, that's like a short-term fix, but depending on your budget, you could always, you know, get a whole new sheet and then just make sure that you clean these rivets out. So as you can see in the rivets right here, you want to make sure you clean that out, because if not, over time you'll have like a bunch of gunk that's built up. So like right here, for example, see, it looks almost like seaweed. Let's see, you guys can see it. See, looks almost, it's like a green type of mix. And then down here you got a bunch of snow. And I mean, in Ohio there's really no way to avoid the snow, but what you would want to do is just build up the sides, so then when the snow does come down, it's not seeping into the inside of your structure. So we want to prepare this to where they can grow in the winter time as well. So as you can see, it's just some pockets right there. And we're probably gonna end up putting like a fence in this area. And again, as you can see, there's some pockets, and we'll probably just clip all that stuff that's hanging off down, and that'll basically be it for the most part. It looks pretty even in here, and it's a pretty good condition in terms of just the area and the location. It's not really a whole lot of trees around it. Seems like it's getting some direct sunlight, so this is going to be a nice, good view. But yeah, for the most part,